Alright, let's be honest. Finding a job as a student or a recent grad is rough, like way harder than anyone told us. You spend all these years in school thinking, I just need the degree. Then you graduate and it hits you. No one's lining up to hire you. And suddenly you are applying to jobs you don't even want, just hoping for anything. And it's not just about the job hunt, it's the silence, the waiting, feeling like you're falling behind while everyone else is posting about their new jobs and promotion. Here's why this hits so hard for beginners. No one prepares you for this. In school, they tell you to get good grades. That's it. No one teaches you how to write a resume, apply online, or deal with rejections. You're just tossed into it. You're competing with people who already have experience. Even for junior roles, it's messed up, but it's real. Employers don't always want to train someone from zero. Most job apps go nowhere, like literally nowhere. You apply and you never hear back. Not even a rejection. It messes with your head. It gets lonely. No one really talks about how isolating this process is. You start questioning yourself, your skills, your worth. It gets heavy. What can you do even when it feels hopeless? I won't give you a magic fix because there isn't one. But here's what's realistically helped me and others I know. Focus on small wins. Don't think about getting a job. Think, can I improve my resume today? Can I reach out to one person? Can I learn one new skill this week? It adds up. Talk to people, not just apply online. This is huge. Most jobs aren't even posted publicly. You don't need to network like a CEO. Just talk to people. Message someone who is 1 or 2 years ahead of you. Ask questions. Be real. Most of them remember what this feels like. Make your resume honest but sharp. Even if you have never had a job, you have experience. Group projects, volunteer work, a personal project. Talk about what you did, how you did it, and what you learned. Pick one skill and go deep. Find one thing related to the field you want and just start learning it. You don't need a fancy certificate. Just put in the time. Build something small. Show people you're serious. Accept that rejection is a part of this. Every single person who has a job right now, they got rejected too. Probably a lot. You just don't hear about that part. Final truth, it's okay to struggle. It's okay to not have it all figured out. It's okay to be stuck. It's okay to cry after a rejection. I've done all of that. Most people have. But keep showing up because one reply can change things. One small opportunity can lead to something bigger. You only need one yes. If this felt like something you needed to hear, I'm glad you were here. You're not alone and you're not a failure. Drop a comment if you are in the same boat or if you have got a story to share. We can figure it out together.